Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through redeeming codes on your Nintendo Switch and Xbox consoles. It's super easy, so grab your codes and let's get started. First up, let's tackle the Nintendo Switch. Power on your Switch and make sure you're on the home screen. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Nintendo eShop icon. It looks like a little shopping bag. Tap on that to open the eShop. You'll need to select the user account you want to use to redeem the code, so go ahead and pick your profile. Once you're inside the eShop, look for the Enter Code option, usually at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Tap on that, and a text box will appear. This is where you'll carefully enter your 16-digit download code. Double-check that you've typed it in correctly, and then select OK. The system will then verify the code, and you'll be prompted to confirm the download. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and your download will begin automatically. Alright, now let's move on to redeeming codes on your Xbox. Turn on your Xbox console and make sure you're signed in to your Xbox Live account. From the home screen, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then, using the directional pad or joystick, navigate to the Store tab. Select Redeem from the menu. You can either type in the 25-character code manually using the on-screen keyboard, or if you have a Kinect sensor, you can simply hold up the QR code for it to scan. Once you've entered or scanned the code, confirm it. The system will then show you what the code is for. Confirm again to redeem, and the content will be added to your account. In most cases, the download will start automatically. If it doesn't, you can find it in your game library, ready to download. And that's it. Redeeming codes on both Nintendo Switch and Xbox is pretty straightforward. If you have any problems, double-check the code you entered or contact Nintendo or Xbox support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.